Manipur irang na sokhalaba sing maru oina IDP sing hakthengna yengsinna Supreme Court ki judge mangana saba mihut kangbu amanga se Manipur da thunglakhrei National Legal Services Authority nalsagi Executive Chairman su oiriba Justice B.R. Gavai na luchingba Judge Kangbu adu ngasi ayuk pung mapan taramdaida Indigo gi flight ta Imphal International Airport ta thunglakhibanei makhoi gi manungda Justice B.R. Gavai Justice Vikram Nath amati Justice M.M. Sundes Imphal International Airport hek yaurakpaga Manipur heli service ke khuthangda Churachandpur gi dama khongsan ke Justice N Kotisor amadi KV Viswanathan na Imphal la lehauke Churachandpur gi khongchara da Manipur High Court ke Justice Gaifu Silu Manipur ke Chief Secretary amadi DGP su sarukya ke Manipur da athuba matamda ing tap pahanjillaklagani Constitution da thasaba thambiu haina Justice B.R. Gavaina Churachandpur gi khongchat phongdokhrei India Today any ge report amagi matung enna National Legal Services Authority nalsa gi Executive Chairman suediba Justice V.R. Gavaina luchingba Judge Kangbu aduna Churachandpur da thunglaba matung relief camp sing da chatringai mangwainana headquarter 27 sector Assam Rifles ki makok thongba officer singna makoibu taramna okhe madung tarakpada Saruk Yakiba Judge Singh aduna virtual gi khuthangda legal service camp, medical camp amasung legal aid clinic amamam Churachandpur gi mini secretary tagi haudokhi loinana district asigi Sarvavana Mandapta Hangba relief camp the Chatuna Mafamadu Ladiba Singa Wari Watai Sanaki Hairi Mahagna Makatana Hai Kibada Nong Manatraga Nong Ma State Asida Constitution Gimatingna Ing Tapasoidana Hanjilakani Haina Lanjena Ribasing that Hazaba PK Panbayabadi Numitini Kongsata Ngasi Tunglakiba Justice Gavaina Lusingba Supreme Court ki Judge Kangbu Asina Manipur gi Tongan District Singda Legal Service Camp Amadi Medical Camp Kaya Virtual gi Kuthang da Haudoki Mapangal Kalaba Lebagasi Constitution Asigi Makada Miyambu Amata Oina Punsilibani Executive Judiciary Legislature Singna Singna Tabak Taurabadi State Asida Soidana Santi Hanjalakani Haina Supreme Court of India ge Justice V.R. Gavaina Fongdokre National Legal Services Authority Yimityang Makada Manipur State Legal Services Authority District Legal Services Authority Bishnupur District Administration Bishnupur Directorate of Health Services Directorate of Family Welfare Amadi Regional Institute of Medical Sciences RIMS Imphal Punna Senduna Free Legal Services Camp come Free Medical Camp among asi Moirang College Relief Camp the Pangtokre Thoramaduda Wangang Laduna Justice V.R. Gavaina Fongdokibada Leibagasigi Constitution asi Yamna Mapangal Labor Constitution ni Leibagasigi Miam asi Constitution na Punsinduna Thamlibane Constitution the Thazaba Thambiu Nongmadi Soidana State Asida Santi Lakani Amaromda Judiciary Legislature Amasung Executive na Pukchel Sengna Haidu Kibawa Ngak na Tabak Taurabadi Santi Hanjalakna Naba Honabada Chow Namating Oigani Haike Free Legal Services Camp come Free Medical Camp Aduda Dr. Nifu Henbana Sarugyatuna Moirang the Ladyba Relief Camp ki IDP Sing Lem Nalaying Bagaloinana Hidak Sing PK Department Kuntra Mangana Sarugyaduna Legal Services ki Stall Sing Hanki Amadi IDP Singh the Supreme Court of India ge Judge Loinana Nalsagi Executive Chairman Justice V.R. Gavaina Relief Material Singh Yauna Health Card Old Age Pension Card Widow Card Weaver Card Amadi Job Card Singh Su Yenthoke Justice V.R. Gavai the CSO Singh na Tongan ba Wafam Singh Yawa Memorandum Su Pisinke
The power of the law is not in its statutes and regulations, but its ability to uplift and empower people. To achieve this, we must embed the principles of empathy and compassion into our legal aid initiatives. Whether it is a distressed woman seeking relief from domestic violence, a laborer wrongfully denied wages, a child deprived of education, a displaced person seeking rehabilitation, or a senior citizen struggling for pension benefits, justice must come with a touch of humanity. I urge all legal professionals, judicial officers, policymakers, and the government officers to reinforce their commitment to legal aid and access to justice. With the constitution that we have, with the strong constitution that we have, a beautiful state like Manipur, I am sure that with our joint efforts, with our strong constitution, peace will come back to Manipur. The situation will come back to normalcy with the effective steps to be taken by or are being taken by the executive, the judiciary, the legislature and all the government officers. I am sure that Manipur which is as important part of India as is Tamil Nadu, as is Maharashtra, as is Kerala, will soon come back to normalcy. With that prayer from all the Indians, we do hope that we come back soon to see peaceful Manipur.